Hi everyone. In today's video, we are going to talk about string fundamentals. So I have splitted this topic into multiple videos. So let's start with the string basics. A string can be used to represent just about anything that can be encoded into text or bytes. This includes symbols, words, content of text file loaded into memory, Python source code, etc. So strings can also be used to hold a raw file used for media files, network transfers, and both the encoded and decoded form of the non-ASCII Unicode text used in internationalized programs. Python strings serve the role as character array, same as in C language, but they are somewhat higher level than the arrays. So in Python, strings are characterized as immutable sequences, meaning that the character they contain have left to right positional order and they cannot be changed in place. So Python comes with many string tools and we won't look at them all here. Here are the some string literals. For example, we can write strings in single quotes like Python double quotes Python triple quotes. So usually this triple quotes used if you want to write in multiple lines. So you can either include 3 single triple quotes or 3 double triple quotes. So example is here, like if you want to write anything, this is example of triple quote, and you can simply like this. Then there are some escape sequences. So escape sequences are mostly used if you want to represent a character that usually cannot be typed using the keyboard. For example, a tab, or a new line character. Then there are some raw string. Raw string means you have to write R and you have to give your so here this usually if you are not using the raw string, we need to escape this slash, but if you're using the raw string, you don't need to escape this slash, everything taken as a text. Yes, in Python, single and double quote strings are same. So for example, anything if you write inside a single quote, anything you write inside a double quote or a single quote, both are same. Reason for supporting both is that this allows you to embed a quote character of the other variety inside a string without escaping it. For example, if you want to write a character that has quotes inside it, so either If you're using single quote, you have to give a escape. You have to escape this quote. Or you can simply write here as so this whole character will be taken as one single string. So you don't need to escape this quote. Similarly, if you want, you can write like this. So both the strings are valid. If you want to see here, you can say or you can also so Python support both the types. So let's talk about escape sequences. Backslashes are used to introduce special character coding known as the escape sequences. So these backslash uh, are used as a escape sequence. So escape sequence let us embed characters in a string that cannot easily be typed on a keyboard. For example, how can you enter or a tab through the keyboard? It's like if you press enter, if you're writing on a line, you can simply go to the next line. But if you want to represent it into your code, how you can show it? So for that, we simply use the escape sequence, and that is for the new line character. Also, we can represent the enter here. Similarly, for the tab, we can use /t. So the character slash and one more character following in it in the string literal are replaced with a single character. So in Python, if you write like this whole slash and both are taken as a single character. If you take this string as a for example, if we take create a string with these characters, so if we check the length of this variable s, it will show as a 5 character. It means here if we count the character, here a taken as 1 character, /n taken as 1 character, b as 1 character, /t as 1 character, and c is 1 character. So it is 5 character. We cannot count as this as 7 character. So here /n is 1 character and /t is 1 character. So if you want to print, so note that the original backslash character in the result are not really stored with the string in memory. They are used only to describe special character value to be stored in the string. So here are some common backslash characters used. It's like /. This is used to represent backslash. And then if you want to escape the quote, so single quote. Then same for double quotes. Then /a is a bell sound. If you want to introduce a bell sound in your code, you can use /a. /b as a backspace. We also already mentioned /n as a new line character, /r is the carriage return, /t is a horizontal tab, and /v as a vertical tab. So some space sequences allow you to embed absolute binary values into the character of a string. For instance, here a 5-character string that embed 2 characters with binary 0 values. So here if we give so if we print s, it will be like this. And if we check the length here, it show 5 only. Yeah, so using the escape sequences, we can also allow to embed absolute binary values in the character of a string. So that's all for this video. We will meet in next video. Till then, thanks for watching and stay tuned.